Hi everyone, it's me, Annabelle's Beans, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your fidget spinners from screeching and making annoying noises like screeching, and yeah. I have two fidget spinners. I have this one, it goes up. This one's fine, but this one was really screechy and annoying, and I fixed it, and it's amazing now. So I'm going to just help you figure out how to fix it. And so you don't get annoyed and screechy, and it's just annoying. So first you need to take off the caps of your fidget spinner. If I can. You take off the cap, and you need a few tools. Take off your cap first. And next, you need this. I forgot what it's called. And then you need an oil. So I use this oil. I don't know what it's called. I'm not good at spelling. Yeah, you can use, I guess, any type of oil. Maybe like, I know you can definitely use the one I use, or vegetable oil, so you can use that. And then you need to put that in a bowl, any size. And then once you're done that, you put this and you dip it in to the oil bit, and then you spread it all around this part, like this, all around. And then you do the other side. If I can't drop it, make sure you don't drop it, like I did. And once you're done, also get a napkin, because it's going to be messy, and yeah. Once you're done that, wait 15 minutes, 15, I almost said 50, it's 15, okay? 15. You should do it with these two on the caps. So you also do it with this, dip it in again, and then do it on this side. Do it again on both caps, and then you wait 15 minutes again. 15, God! Sorry if you can't understand what I'm saying. And then you can wait. Well, you can also just wait a bit. And after you wait 15 minutes, your fidget spinner will pretty much be ready. Just put on your caps. Put on the caps. Okay. You got a silent fidget spinner that does not make any screeching noise. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, subscribe, and press the subscribe button. Bleh. And I hope you had an amazing day or night. I don't know when you watch this, but yeah, so bye.